In this video, we're going to look at conditional probability. Now, conditional probability relies on a previous outcome. It's a dependent outcome. So let's take an example of what that means. There are 3 strawberry yogurts, 2 peach yogurts, and 4 cherry yogurts in a fridge. Kate takes a yogurt at random from the fridge. She eats the yogurt. She then takes a second yogurt at random from the fridge. Work out the probability that both yogurts were the same flavor. So what we're going to do is we draw a tree diagram for this. So she could either choose a strawberry yogurt, or she can choose a peach yogurt, or she can choose a cherry yogurt. So she's got 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So she's got 9 yogurts in total. So 3 of them out of 9 are strawberry, 2 out of 9 are peach, and 4 out of 9 are cherry yogurts. But that's our first selection. So for what we do, the technique here is we deliberately choose the same yogurts again for the second selection. So originally she had 3 out of 9. She's eaten 1 yogurt, so she's only got 2 out of 8. So the other ones remain unchanged. So that's going to be 2 out of 8. And that's going to be 4 out of 8. Then we do the same for peach. So it's strawberry, peach, cherry. We deliberately choose a peach again. So that's 1 out of 8. The others are unchanged. That's 3 out of 8. And then we get the last one is 4 out of 8. And then we do the same for cherry, which is strawberry, peach, and cherry. Now she's deliberately going to choose a cherry again, so that's going to be 3 out of 8. The others are unchanged, so that's going to be 3 out of 8 for strawberry and 2 out of 8 for peach. Now we can see that we've got our tree diagrams required. Now the question says, work out the probability that both yogurts selected were of the same flavor. So it means that she can get a strawberry and a strawberry. She can get a peach and a peach. Or she can get a cherry and a cherry. So don't forget 2 key words in probability. And always means multiply, or always means plus. So to get a strawberry would be 3 out of 9 times 2 out of 8, which is going to be 6 out of 72. To get a peach is 2 out of 9 times 1 out of 8, which is 2 out of 72. And to get a cherry would be 4 out of 9 times 3 out of 8, which is going to be 12 out of 72. So in total, it's going to be 6 out of 72 plus 2 out of 72 plus 12 out of 72, which will give me a total of 20 out of 72. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. This question says there are 5 red pens, 3 blue pens, and 2 green pens in a box. Gary takes at random a pen from the box and gives his pen to his friend. Gary then takes at random another pen from the box. Work out the probability that both pens are the same color. Here's another example of conditional probability. He's given the pen to his friend, therefore the number of selections goes down by 1. So let's draw a tree diagram. So we have either you get a red pen, or you get a blue pen, or you get a green pen. So 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So we've got out of 10 pens here. So we've got 5 out of 10 is red, 3 out of 10 is blue, 2 out of 10 is green. So remember the technique here, we deliberately choose the same color again. So we choose another red pen, which is going to be 4 out of 9. The other colors are unchanged. That's 3 out of 9, 2 out of 9. Then we do the same for blue. We deliberately choose another blue pen, which is 2 out of 9. The others are unchanged, so that's 5 out of 9, and that's 2 out of 9. And we do the same thing here. We deliberately choose a green again, so that's 1 out of 9. So we get 5 out of 9, 3 out of 9. So now we want to choose both pens being the same color. So we say the probability of a red and a red, probability of blue and blue, probability of a green and a green. Don't forget the keywords. And is times, or means plus. So probability of getting a red is 5 out of 10. Times the probability of getting a red again is 4 out of 9, which is 20 out of 90. To get a blue is 3 out of 10, times the probability of getting a blue again is going to be 2 out of 9, which is 6 out of 90. And the probability of getting a green is 2 out of 10, times the probability of getting a green again is 1 out of 9. So that will give me 2 out of 90. So the probability overall will be 20 out of 90 plus 6 out of 90 plus 2 out of 90. So my final probability will be 28 out of 90.